Brett Martin is a privately owned company established in 1958. We are a multi-site international manufacturing organisation providing print and display products and construction-based products across the globe. We employ over 900 people across Europe and we export over 60% of our total output outside of the UK to over 70 countries worldwide. The solar park will provide us with about 14% of our total site energy requirements at a lower cost than we can buy the same power from the grid. The solar and the wind are quite a good combination in that typically whenever the sun is shining, the wind doesn't tend to blow, and conversely, the output from the wind turbine is at its height in the winter months when there are fewer daylight hours. This represents a total reduction in our total carbon footprint of somewhere in the region of about 3,700 tonnes per annum. That's the equivalent of offsetting 27 million long-haul flying hours every year, or the equivalent of taking 1,800 cars off the road.
Lightsourcebp is the largest solar developer and operator of industrial scale PV in Europe. We operate just over 2 gigawatts of solar plants across nearly 300 different sites in the UK alone. One of the important things whenever you are building solar parks is it's essential that you have somewhere for the electricity to obviously flow. We had identified a site in this area and therefore it was natural for us to look around at large businesses. Obviously it's very obvious whenever you see the large wind turbine, it's a good clue that this is a company that takes renewable energy very seriously.
Firstly, it reduces our total energy costs. Historically, energy costs in Northern Ireland are approximately 25% higher than the average across Europe. Apart from the financial benefits, it also provides certainty for us. It provides us with a guaranteed supply at a known cost for a period of 30 years and should also insulate us to a significant extent from energy market fluctuations. And of course then it also reduces our carbon footprint.
Solar energy worldwide is going through, just unprecedented growth, and it's all fueled by the likes of Brett Martin and other companies, embracing the technology and saying, I want to generate my electricity in a different way that is clean, that is green, and is ultimately sustainable long into the future.